G'day there, Glenn Smith here for Your Next Car In Officer. What I'm going to do today is take you for a walk around tour of something a little bit different. We haven't seen one of these for this combination yet, so it's the first time we've ever had one. But it is a 2019 Hilux SR in a tipper with also the side bin access, which would be perfect for like a caravan park, a small business that picks up a bit of rubbish. The tipper really helps, but the side access for the bin lift is another one which is really handy to have as well. So starting from the front of the vehicle, presents really, really well. Car's only fresh stock, so it's only been in stock for probably a couple of days now, so sorry about my shadow in the background, but as you'll see, presents very, very well. I'll try and show you how the tipper works later in the video also as well, but just to show you the exterior of the condition of the unit as well, presents beautifully. You'll see a reflection of the bonnet in the background there. All the commercials are in the background with us as well, but really clean condition. Your tyres are in great order, steel rims are in great condition. You will notice that the side mirror on the passenger side is a little bit different to the driver, just to give you the access for that side bin movement. So if you're in the front seat of the car, you'll be able to see from sitting in the front seat with that extended mirror on the outside if you do have a bin situated on the outside of the car to be lifted into the back tailgate area. But really clean condition, nothing major that I can see that's going to stand out. Minor mark there, but I reckon it's just some grit, but nothing major related there. Your side steps are in good order. Again, there is your remote for your tray scenario, for your tipper scenario, so I'll show you at a later date, and you'll see the side bin access just there, which I'll show you later in the video. But as you see, fully meshed out, fully enclosed, great condition. Got your side boxes on the side here as well. Again, easy to open. Actually, they might be locked, to be honest. I'll have to do them at a later date, later in the video, so they're locked, I reckon. But I'll open up at a later in the video. But again, sorry about the sun glare on the back. Plenty of room in the rear. You do have your standard tow bar on the back. A nice, easy system to use. Lever up. Actually, I'll do that later in the video because they're locked as well. But as you'll see, really, really clean condition in the back section. I'd hate to know what that tray's worth on the rear, and would be really handy for that small business, worst case to a small caravan yard, to pick up the site's bins during the week. Really clean throughout. I'll try and stand between these two cars, but really in great order. Again, your tyres are in great condition. And then heading back to the front end of the vehicle. Not a mark on it whatsoever. Does have the weather shields on the vehicle as well. In fantastic condition. Best thing being an automatic as well, so if you can't drive manual, this will definitely help being the automatic transmission. I'll open that driver's door up. We'll start the car up so you can hear it in the video also as well. So current kilometres as we speak, once that sets, I'll show you the current kilometres. Again, your automatic transmission, heating and air conditioning, and current kilometres as we speak is 204,925, which probably just disappeared on the screen, but 204,925. But as you see, interior wise, sorry about the sun glare in the background. Seating's in good order, but to be honest, it's all about the body and the back end really is the main thing. You'll see your mirror gives you that better access on the left hand side for your bins and such. If you're lifting a bin up nice and close to gutters, you can actually get a bit more access with that mirror as well. So I'll turn the car off while that's running as well. So what I'll do is I'll get everything set up for the rest of the video, just show you how the tray opens and shuts, and also to show you how the bin access works with the button here as well. So give me 2 ticks, I'll get that organised and we'll start the video again. Alright, so I've just opened that rear box so you can see in the back section, and I'll take you around to the tailgate just to show you how that is easy to open. I've loosened the lock on that now, so it's just pushing in, release. That will pull open, so nice and easy to open and shut. Plenty of room in the back section for all your storage for rubbish or whatever you were going to throw in the back section, but really handy for so much storage in the rear. and it's all enclosed too, so it won't fly out the back of the tailgate when you're driving off from one job to another, say. So really plenty of room in the back, really great section. I'll pause the video again. I'll get the tray set up ready for the tip to show you how the tip opens and shuts. But probably the easiest way to explain it, you'll see to start the ball rolling, you've got that little metal lever. If I get my camera right, that little metal lever here. So if you're pointing it to the right or the left, it'll do either the tray operation or the side bin operation. But I'll show you that moving forward in the video anyway. But just to show you, that's where that little lever is, just beneath where you connect your cord for your tipper section anyway. So give me one tick, I'll get the tipper ready. Being ready to activate the tipper scenario. So you'll see just beneath here, the metal rod is pointing to the right-hand side to open your tipper. You've got the remote here, up or down for that scenario for your tipper. So we're going to lift that up now. So your button is for your tipper to activate either up or down. So I'd rather show you the whole operation up, whole operation down. That way, you know, confirms that it does work nice and easily. So it does go a fair way up. As you'll see, is a single strut mount for the tipper up and down functionality. Or your hydraulic oil is to your left-hand side. So nice and easy access to get back and forth for your actual operation. And again, to pull your tailgate down or your tipper down, top button on the top, and then a nice glide down. Really easy system to use. And then once that comes all the way down, I'll show you how the bin operation moves just with sliding that lever from one side to the other. But it gives you a better understanding of how the tipper works. So really basic to use. If I can do it, anyone can do it. But nice and smooth, they're easy to use. Just think you've got to tip all your rubbish out by now, and then we're ready to go again. All right, so that tray is now down. I'm going to come back beneath here. You'll see the little lever behind that chain there. I'm going to pull that back to the left-hand side. Get that out of the way. So that's now fully to the left-hand side. Again, same with your remote button as before with your, say, your mesh tray or your tipper to go up and down. Button out, you'll see. There we go. And again, that side gate would be open if we're tipping rubbish inside the back of the tray. Rubbish is now in the back of the tray. You've got 20 other bins to do. How much easier does that make your life? So much easier. So really handy ute. First time we've had one with a tipper tray with a side bin access. Like I said earlier in the video, it'd be perfect for that small caravan park or someone that has a lot of rubbish at home, either or either. But if you've got any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to touch base with us here at Your Next Car in Officer. You've got Glenn and Andrew here that can look after you both very, very well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through the video, and hopefully we found the right ute for you guys. Have a great day.